Alright, so I got these bad boys from eBay and Evilbay, and you can get them other places. They're all over the internet. These are the ones that are the really trick aluminum. And they have the covers on them with the brakes inside and all that jazz. So I waited nearly a month for these to finally get here. They're interesting in that the back sides don't have a hub like a regular Hot Wheels does. So let me pull one of these other ones out real quick and we'll look at it if I can find one. Alright, so here's a white wheel. That should be easy to see. Alright, so the back of a regular Hot Wheels, you can see the hub, a raised hub. Alright, on these, they don't have a raised hub, obviously. They've got an indentation in the back. So, depending on your skill level and the different things that you want to do with it, you know, you've got to plan for something. Probably what I would do, is just glue the axles into the back of the wheel so that they don't show through the front on these things. And then inside they have a red caliper. You can remove this front cover like a hubcap, and a lot of times people that don't know what they're doing or haven't used these before will assume that they broke the wheel or that it's fallen apart or whatever, but this is actually supposed to come out. So if this falls out on you when you're doing your job, just be careful about that and put it back in. That's the way it goes. In fact, if you want to, and maybe some guys do, you can pull this out, put your axle in, and then put it back in so you don't see your axle heads on it if you want to do that kind of job. And it comes with these. So you got plenty of options. Plus, you know, you always got the axles out of your car. The tires are pretty good. They're not too bad. I don't sell these online yet. I just wanted to check them out. Like I said, it took me about a month to get them from start to finish. They're relatively cheap for what they are. And it's also, just if you notice, it's not really a true staggered set. But I suspect they're going to look pretty good on Eleanor or something like that. So we'll put those on something and see how that turns out. All right, guys. Have a good day.